The idea came from the research of frequent issues. We investigated the main problem of suffocation from ingestion. We focused on the technique of emergency cricoidotomy, a first aid maneuver that can save lives of those who suffocate. But if not performed well, this intervention can be fatal. For this very reason, we designed an object in the shape of a pen. Pen that pierces and instantly frees the airway and saves the victim from suffocation. Safer, faster, and easier to use. Pen aesthetically looks like a ballpoint pen. Small, manageable, and friendly compared to other similar products already existing. How does it work? After trying the steps of first aid, lay down the victim, get the T-pen, identify the piercing point, turn the cap. Through the rotation of the red cap, the preloaded spring is released. The green booster pushes the needle and cannula into the trachea. Once remove the pen and push the cannula in depth. We can then connect the air balloon to pump air into the lungs.